If you're in your 20s right now, you are either building future freedom or building future regret. Most people waste their 20s chasing vibes, then spend their 30s chasing money. Let's make sure that's not you. Your 20s are not for flexing. They are for foundation. This is the decade that determines whether you struggle for 40 years or build wealth early and let money work for you. Here's exactly how to build wealth in your 20s the smart way. 1. Master your money habits first. Before investments, before business, before crypto, you need discipline. If you can't control 50,000 Nigerian Nairas, you won't control 5 million Nigerian Nairas. Start with this. Track every expense. Save at least 20% of your income. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Wealth isn't built from big breaks. It's built from boring consistency. 2. Increase your income aggressively. Saving alone won't make you rich. Your 20s are for skill stacking. Learn high-income skills, sales, tech, content creation, marketing, digital skills, communication, negotiation. Invest in courses. Invest in mentors. Invest in yourself. Your income is your biggest wealth-building tool right now. 3. Start investing early. Time is your superpower. Time is more powerful than talent. If you invest consistently from 22 to 30, you can outperform someone who starts at 35 earning double your salary. Because of compound interest. Start simple. Index funds, stocks, real estate, if possible, mutual funds. Don't wait until you have more money. Start small. Start now. 4. Avoid debt that doesn't build you. Bad debt steals your future. Car loans to impress people? Dangerous. Credit spending for lifestyle? Deadly. The only debt that makes sense. Education, business, asset building. Everything else delays freedom. 5. Build a long-term vision. Wealth is not built in 6 months. It's built over 10 years. Ask yourself, who do I want to be at 30? What assets do I want? What income level do I need? Clarity creates direction. Direction creates discipline. Discipline creates wealth. Your 20s are not for showing off. They are for setting up. Sacrifice now. Learn now. Invest now. Grow now. So that at 35, you're not starting from zero. You're starting from power. If you're serious about building wealth and upgrading your mindset, subscribe to Wealth and Mind. Because the earlier you start, the easier it becomes.